So hello everyone, this is a question that was asked in GATE 2025 Mechanical Engineering. This is question number 41. It was asked for 2 marks and belong to engineering material subject. Especially if we talk about like more precise, it will be belong to forming process. So question saying if a plate of 30 mm thickness is fed through a rolling mill with 2 powered rolls, each roll says diameter 500 mm. The plate thickness is to be reduced by 27 mm in a single pass. Assume no change in width. The process feasibility and the maximum draft can be represented respectively as. So we have to find that this rolling process, like it is feasible or it is not feasible. They are also giving that coefficient of friction 0.12, and we also need to find like what will be feasible reduction in thickness. You can find more concept related to this question by using this NPTEL reference link. Okay, now let's solve the problem. So they have given that we are having 2 roller. So this is our roller 1 and this is our roller 2, and we are feeding this plate. This is our plate, like this. This is our plate, and it is passing through that these 2 roller, and thickness got decreased. So they have given that H1 equal to 30 mm and H2 equal to 27 mm. They also given that radius of roller equal to 500 by 2. This will become 250 mm. Okay, because they have given diameter 500 mm. Okay. As we know that to find the maximum reduction in thickness, we have to use this formula H max equal to mu square into R. So when we find our H max, so they have given mu equal to 0.12, so we will put here 0.12, and radius will be diameter by 2, so this will be 500 by 2. So H max will be our 3.6 mm. So by using these roller diameter and given coefficient of friction, our maximum reduction will be 3.6 mm. This much we can get by that single pass. Okay. In question they have given that initially they are having thickness 30 mm, and after passing through the roller single pass they are getting thickness H2 27 mm. So the reduction in thickness as per questions we are getting delta H equal to H1 minus H2. So it will become 30 minus 27. So this we are getting 3 mm. Okay. So in question they are saying they are giving 30 mm thickness, and after passing through roller they are getting 27 mm. Okay. So like reduction thickness 3 mm, and maximum we can get like by using this our formula we can get reduction thickness 3.6 mm. So what we can say that whatever possible reduction they are getting is less than our maximum reduction. So we can say it is feasible process. And how much reduction maximum we can get? So H max we can get 3.6 mm. Okay. So now what we can say that like maximum reduction we are getting 3.6 mm, and this process is feasible. So our option A will be correct. You can find more concept related to this question by using this NPTEL reference link. Thank you.